Welcome to the vibrant tapestry of San Francisco, where every neighborhood has its own unique story to tell. Step into Chinatown, where centuries of tradition meet modern energy. The vibrant streets are alive with colors, scents, and the rich culture of the East. Explore markets, savor authentic cuisine, and experience the heartbeat of a community that bridges history and today. Journey to the Mission District, a canvas of creativity and innovation. Here, you'll find eclectic cafes, vibrant street art, and a lively atmosphere that's as unique as the people who call it home. Explore the blend of cultures and embrace the vibrant, artistic soul of this dynamic enclave. But the tapestry doesn't end there. The financial district hums with business energy, while Haight-Ashbury carries the spirit of the counterculture movement. And up on Nob Hill, sophistication and stunning views define the experience. Discover the diversity that makes San Francisco a city like no other. Each neighborhood tells a story, and together, they form a mosaic of experiences waiting for you to explore. Your new adventure begins here. San Francisco, where every street is a new chapter.